Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you all may know, for a couple of months, the blockchain-based games have been getting a lot of attention. However, there was a segment which hadn't got a lot of attention until Chiliz. And for those of you who have no idea what it is, stick around and we'll cover everything after this. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. Do like and comment your thoughts, any questions you may have, or if you want to share something. I will keep making these videos for you guys, so keep smashing the like button and let's start today's video. Let's start with a bit of a background. Chiliz is the leading digital currency for sports and entertainment by the eponymous Malta-based FinTech provider. It operates the blockchain-based sports entertainment platform Socios, which enables users to participate in the governance of their favorite sports brands. Multiple fan tokens by Socios.com are an example of that. For sports clubs and associations, fan tokens offer a way of connecting with their fans and unlocking new revenue streams. For instance, fans can participate and influence club-related decisions through surveys and polls, such as messages the captain should wear in his armband. The company aims to bridge the gap between being an active and passive fan. Chiliz has developed partnerships with some of the biggest sporting institutions in the world: FC Barcelona, Manchester City, Juventus Turin, and Paris Saint-Germain. It also boasts partnerships with the UFC and gaming organizations. By purchasing CHZ, fans get access to various fan tokens and literally have a stake in their club. Every sporting organization who are using Chiliz technology receive a limited supply of tokens that offered as FTO or fan token offering. These tokens are offered on a first-come, first-served basis, with the opening price and fully diluted market cap disclosed by Chiliz beforehand. The native CHZ token is used to purchase fan tokens and acts as the platform's internal currency. Fans can then vote on the Socios platform with their fan tokens, a process made possible using smart contracts. Clubs determine the amount of influence fans have. Decisions can range from new jersey designs to deciding team matchups in exhibition games. The total supply of CHZ is 8.8 billion. Minted at its launch in October 2018 and distributed to early contributors with no public sales beyond what was made available through the exchanges. The token is distributed as 15% locked for strategic acquisitions, 5% is team share, 7% is backed for seed investors, 3% will go to advisory board, 15% will be spent on marketing, 20% is bound for user-based reserve, and the 34.5% is token sale. Initially, CHZ launched as ERC20 token, but it was later also designed to be BEP2 compatible, owing Binance Launchpool's role in releasing fan tokens as part of a strategic partnership. CHZ is also available as TRC20 token on the Tron blockchain. CHZ is available on several blockchains, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. Fan tokens are minted on its Socios sidechain with a proprietary crowd control mechanism, so fans are in a protected environment and vote only in publicly audited polls. The sidechain uses a proof of authority consensus mechanism. Proof of authority is mostly used by private organizations that have closed blockchains and only users within its ecosystem participating. It is less decentralized than other consensus mechanisms, but is easily scalable and highly secure, making it the ideal choice for a sidechain. The CHZ token has also been audited by CertiK. So there it is, guys. I hope you found this video useful. To make sure you don't miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Do leave a like and comment your thoughts as well. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.